Hi everyone, Alan here from MyMotion. In today's video we'll be looking at what a clapperboard is and its purpose, who is responsible for it, and also the basics to using a clapperboard correctly. The clapperboard or slate board is used mainly to sync audio and video together. It is also used to identify different scenes and takes for editing purposes. The person responsible for using the clapperboard is referred to on set as a second AC or second camera assistant. The clapperboard may contain information such as the date, name of the production, the camera operator, and also the name of the director. The clapperboard should also include whether it is day or night, also if the scene takes place in an exterior or interior location, also if any ND filters are being used. Generally, you will be using the clapper to sync sound. If there is no sound, then this is an MOS board, which is motor only shot or sync. The second AC would put two fingers between the sticks without clapping the board. In the box labelled roll, this is the camera that you are marking for, A cam or B cam. If there is only one camera being used, this is A cam by default. If it is possible to clap for more than one camera at a time, then the second AC would shout common board instead of identifying cameras specifically. You also put here what card you are using. So 001 means that you are using card 1. The first scene is the first location, the first action. The slate is the angle or frame size you are using for that scene. When the angle or shot changes in any way, the slate number goes up. The takes are how many times you're doing that specific shot or angle. The numbers only go up when action is called. If camera and sound are cut before action is called, or before the board is clapped, then the number of the take remains the same. Now we are going to look at what will take place on set. When marking, the second AC does not need to say everything. They could simply say scene 1, slate 1, take 1. In cases where there is a false start, they would put AFS in the take box with the number of the take. When they are marking, they would say take 1 AFS, for example. If the second AC is asked to do an end board, they will use the clapper at the end of the take. They will hold the clapper upside down, clap the board, then turn the board the right way up and say the sequence written down, followed by on the end. In an instance where a portion of the take was done well, and the director only wishes to start the scene from a certain point, the second AC will say take X pickup. On the board will be the abbreviation PU. It is also important to note when to use the clapperboard as well. When everyone is ready, the first AD will shout something like turnover or roll camera. The sound operator, if sound is being used, will say sound speed or sound rolling. The camera operator will then say speeding or camera rolling to indicate that the camera is recording. The second AC will then be in place with a clapper and will wait for the command mark it, which indicates that the clapperboard is in frame and focus. The crew will tell the second AC if they need to adjust their positioning. Once the command is given, the second AC will then call out what is required for the production and then clap the clapper and get out of the shot. If the clapperboard is particularly close to the actor, then the second AC would say soft sticks into the mic and then clap the clapperboard quieter than normal. In an instance where the sound recordist wasn't ready for the clap sync, the second AC would call out second sticks and then call out the clap as normal. That's all for this video on some of the basics of operating clapperboard. I hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks for watching.